In this video, I'll show you how to set up a welcome email automation in Mailchimp step by step. First, navigate to the Mailchimp website and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, go to Automations from the left-hand menu. Then, open Flow Templates. Here, you'll find the Welcome New Contacts template. Click on it and wait a moment while Mailchimp generates the automation flow for you. Next, click Use this flow. You'll now see that the automation is triggered whenever a new contact signs up to your audience. If you'd like, you can customize the welcome email by editing the content and adjusting the flow to better suit your needs. Once everything is ready, click Continue in the top right corner. Finally, review the automation settings, confirm everything, and activate the flow. Keep in mind that welcome email automation requires a supported paid Mailchimp plan. If you're on the free plan or a plan that doesn't include this feature, Mailchimp will display an error and you won't be able to activate the automation. And that's how you can create a welcome email automation in Mailchimp.